jing jing mud. Menteri Ketenat Puli Putih ubak lakmen rumbui negasngi ulaang bagakan hun Menteri Keltrekam halaka jong kajing nun pisa berduna bansi kajing siu sya kinong hikai ad hoc. Habakali halor kajing dawa jong kinong hikai kajing kentiu tulap kabakat prahajar tengka ubak rumbui ulaang baya ke kabala rai kalong kat kum kajing don pisa ke sorkar bat kene kalong karai kababhatam. Ha kabayadai bat kajing pentiu tulap kawasan ng sisma mana usnam ulaang makasorkar kan sakmi niya halor kane.
It is easier said than done. So whatever the Honorable Cabinet have decided yesterday, that's why it's a very balanced decision and the best taking into consideration the situation which the state of Meghalaya is facing. We talk about the quantum. The quantum is to be decided by the Cabinet, not only by the Education Department or by somebody. So that's why I think it's a balanced decision, taking into consideration the situation faced in the state of Meghalaya.